I am Ashid, the self-appointed Eve Echo's life coach. Alright capsuleers, let's talk about losing ships. We all do it. You undock with a swagger, you get flash tackled by a frigate, and then suddenly you're floating in a pod, crying to mama. But fear not, NetEase is finally giving our wallets and sanity a break with a complete overhaul of the insurance system. And honestly, it kinda slaps. Let me explain. Insurance premiums will be streamlined, simplified, and sane. Say goodbye to complicated calculations based on every nanocore, the rig, the fitting. Insurance is now clean and understandable, even after a bottle of quaif. New premium rules are: regular ships, IP cost is fixed at 30% of the ship's value. The capital ships, IP costs start at 50% and then drop 5% per capital lost in the past 30 days to a minimum of 35. The super capital IP cost start at 50 and then drop 10% each loss in 30 days, minimum 40%. So yeah, lose 3 super capitals in a month, the insurers still have your back. It's just a little less than it used to. It's like being in my corp and hearing me saying, "Hey, slow down there, space cowboy. 12-hour PvP cooldown, but no more insurance jail. We used to wait 24 hours for IP claims to process, not anymore. After a 12 hours PvP lock, you can make a claim at any time. Finally, this means more flying and less crying." The damaged hulls also got nerfed, so rip Astero and Garmor farmers. The drop rate from damaged hulls from destroyed Asteros and Garmors have been significantly reduced. The loyalty point store prices for hulls for Mordor's Legion and Sisters of Eve is down 20%. Those cheap insurance payoff tricks just got nerfed, so time to adapt, hustlers. The battlefield insurance, Dormant Realm is now the discount king. Insurance in special combat zones is changing. Eternium Reach and the Relic Scrabble has no more discounts, boys. But that should not stop you from going there. The Dormant Realm is still sweet depending on how often you explode. Here is how the Dormant Realms reward you for not dying too much. The first ship lost is IP 33% of normal, second ship lost is 66% of normal, and third and beyond is IP cost full price. It's like punch cards for death. Your second explosion is half off. The CONCORD insurance has no changes, but the chunky CONCORD ships still have a special treatment. The Marshall and Friends 60% rate on IP. The CONCORD capital ship, the Science C, has 80% premium rate IP. This hasn't changed yet, so do not get too excited. The insurance payoff will be dynamic. Hello supply, meet demand. Let's say that there is a ton of pending insurance claims and the game needs to, pay you back. Now the new acquisition trigger will apply. Your payout may increase if the supply is low. The new acquisition price is 110% to 200%. That's right, you might get a little extra cheddar when the insurance stock runs dry. Supply and demand in action. So what is in store for us? Well, the insurance rates are now simple and fair. Premiums adjust based on how many ships you've lost recently. The claims are faster than ever with just 12-hour PvP lock. The Dormant Realm gave loss-based discounts. The CONCORD ships still have premium rates. The hull farming and insurance exploits. Okay, that got nerfed, but when demand rises, so does the payout. So the final thoughts from a seasoned space rat Sheev. The insurance remap does something special and rare in Eve Echoes. It makes the ship loss feel like a part of the journey again. It's not a reason anymore to quit the game or spend a week mining Veldspar in shame. Fly smart, fly often, and with these new changes, maybe don't fear flying a little recklessly. You are more covered than you were before. Until next time, never fly what you can't afford to lose, but now you can afford to lose just a little bit more. And I see you guys again.